What if there was one simple Go High Level AI offer that could get you clients on repeat? And it was beginner friendly, solved real business problems, set up easily, required very little monthly maintenance. Well, guess what? I set that system up and I put it into a Go High Level snapshot, and it is yours down below completely for free. Yes, you heard me. The AI system that I have right here, this website, the AI agents, the AI chatbots, all of this is free. Yes, and this is the asset we're going to be going over today. It is called an AI smart website. It is down below and it is yours free. But there's a couple things we need to go over, which is obviously setting this thing up, but more importantly, the key components to selling this and letting this sell itself to local businesses. Now, this one is strictly for dentists, but you could use this to demo to regular business just to show them how this works. Nonetheless, this is geared towards dentists and is extremely powerful way to get businesses to say yes. Also, because of the AI we have in the self-selling components, where it basically shows them how they'll sell their customers, it's no hard selling for you. And trust me, that's what you want if you're trying to scale or you're a shy person. So now what I want to do is I want to go into the key components on how you're going to sell this, but more importantly, why this is so valuable so you can understand how this goes off in the business owner's head when they get their hands on it. So the first thing I want to go over is that the fact that this is self-selling. Okay, so when you give this to a business owner, whether this be through email, networking, walk-ins, cold calling, however you show them this, the goal is for them to come in and demo it on how it sells their customers. I'm going to repeat that. On how it demos selling their customers. Not just, hey, I'm going to sell this to you dentists, where you go in, this is what a lot of people do. You go in and you go, oh, isn't this cool? This is for you. Isn't this cool? Look how cool this is. This is going to, get you ranked on Google, whatever. Doesn't make a lot of sense. But when they come on and they see how this smart website via the AI voice agents, the AI chatbots sells their leads, the dollar signs go off in their head because they're seeing right away, this is going to be amazing for all the patients and the people that come into our dental clinic. So like, for example, if they come in and they were to chat with this AI voice agent, as opposed to you going in and just being like, isn't this really cool? They come in, you talk about the AI, and for them to demo it, they come in to demo it, and the AI sells itself by showing what it's going to do. So watch this.
Hey, you have reached dentistry. This is Miranda. How can I help you today?
Hey, Miranda, how you doing? My teeth are looking yellow. I need to get a cleaning.
Hi there. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I hear you about wanting a cleaning. Let's get that sorted for you. Can I start by getting your name, please?
Yes, it is the GHL Wizard.
Got it. That's the GHL Wizard. THEGHLWIZARD, right?
Correct.
Perfect. Thank you. Could you share your email address so we can follow up with you?
Yes, it's the wizard 123456789101112777777
Let me confirm that. It's THEWIZARD 13456789101277777 at
It like sped up.
il.com, right?
Yes, correct, Miranda.
Great, thank you. Could you also provide your address for our records?
So perfect. We could just keep going down. I could ask more questions, but as you saw right there, I could just keep going on and on with this. I don't need to for the sake of time, but you see what this can do. And if you want to test this out when you get the snapshot, that's free right down below. Feel free to, but you see how powerful that is? Like, they're seeing how it's going to close their clients. I know I've said this 3 times already, but it's so important that you get this. It is so important. And if you're confused about this, drop a comment down below so I can address this personally, because this is a huge thing I see time and time again. A lot of you guys don't understand that it's selling their customers, not them. Really important key point. But that's not it. There's a couple other reasons why this is a grand slam offer for businesses and why they will say yes. And really, by guiding them into a free trial, you can make a lot of money if you set this up properly, because it solves 3 core problems. Let me explain. So the first main thing this solves is core business problems. You're solving a real problem business owners already face. Customer support and sales through the phone and messages. It's an easier sell because it tackles core issues they already deal with, unlike add-ons such as social media or ads. So if you come in and you're charging $297, $597, $997, whatever price point you want for this, I recommend anywhere from $297 to $597 per month. But the idea is if you come in and charge this and it's dealing with core problems they're already dealing with, like people talking on the phone, messages, stuff like that, they won't mind paying because it justifies the expense. Where with a lot of stuff like social media or ads, you're trying to sell them on something they're not sure they may not even need a website. Like, you see what I'm saying? There's so many things they may or may not need, but almost every business somehow talks on the phone or messages people. Like, that is the core components of business. And guys, I have literally worked so long in this, okay? I have won a ton of awards in the high level space for selling AI and all this stuff. I have studied the best offers and obsessed over this. And this is getting just about as close as I've gotten because it's not having to convince them of something new, okay? You're just solving something that they're already doing. Really important. Number two, it is a fast setup. AI agents can be deployed through a smart website, integrate into an existing site. That's key. You can add these to any website, Squarespace, Wix, anything, or spread across a brand's digital presence with ease. With the right templates, which I have down below for free and across my channel, onboarding is very fast and simple. Another big thing, if it takes forever to set stuff up, like building websites from scratch, running ads, setting up A2P verification, all these things on high level that are just like, what the hell is going on? It's going to just slow you down. And it's not saying there isn't value to that, but when you have a fast setup, you can churn and burn really quickly. Trust me, guys, I've been doing this for a while. I've been looking for something like this forever, and it's finally up. And this is what you do. You just churn and burn. Okay, number three, which is possibly the best thing for a lot of you guys, which is easier to run. It is beginner friendly. So this offer requires very little ongoing work compared to most GoHighLevel offers while still delivering high value and solving core problems. I have, not to this day, seen any this simple to set up, which I'm going to show you in a second how to set up, and that still delivers this much value. Most things that are easy to set up suck. I'm just going to be honest with you. They're just not super valuable. But with this, it is super valuable. It solves a ton of problems, and you can set it up like that, which is what I'm about to show you right now. But before I do so, if you are interested in learning more about smart websites, mastering GoHighLevel, and really learning how to sell these like a pro, I have a 30-day free trial link of HighLevel down below. Not a 14-day, an exclusive 30-day free trial. When you sign up with that, not only are you going to get access to 30 days and all of my bonuses, you will get to learn from me, the award-winning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, GoHighLevel Wizard. Okay, doing this for a while, and I have a ton of amazing bonuses that you're not going to find anywhere else for free. Check this out. So access to the AI SaaS Lab, which is my private community full of winners where you can network, ask questions, and do so much more and really be part of a family. Then you're getting access to my entire resources vault. So we have trainings designed specifically for beginners. We also have trainings designed for agencies wanting to scale up like I have. Okay, we have trainings on how to get clients, systems on how to get clients, snapshots, sales scripts, AI prompts, more snapshots, white label onboarding videos, even more snapshots, AI match. I mean, literally everything you could possibly need, all for free in here. But most importantly, you get access to, at the time, sometimes this goes up, sometimes this goes down. It usually hovers around 6. But at the time of this video, we have 6 live coaching calls from real agency owners that you can attend every single week. This is the ultimate hand-holding experience. Whether you're a beginner or wanting to scale, this is perfect. You can even talk to me on Zoom and message me whenever you want to get your questions answered. Guys, by the way, these are real agency owners we have in this group. Real people that you can talk to, okay, hop on calls with, ask them questions, get guidance. Like, there's no other group like this. There really isn't. And the amount of value we give is unmatched, okay? Unmatched, like real agency owners. Again, the coaches may change at the time of this video, but these are legit business owners doing the thing you're trying to do and selling the thing you're trying to sell, which is high level and AI. I'm telling you, I have never seen, ever seen a group like this. I haven't. To get even a fraction of the value back in the day when I was going through courses, it cost at least $10,000. This, all of this stuff you see, the community, the calls, all these source materials, it is all free when you sign up with my 30-day free trial link right down below. So if you're interested, go down below, click that trial. If you already upgraded and you already have high level, there's another link you can click to join. I think you should do it because I think you're really going to like it. So now what I want to do is show you how to set up this snapshot, and it is so easy and so beginner friendly. This snapshot includes a lot of amazing stuff. So obviously it includes this website, it includes pre-made calendars, it includes AI voice agents, it includes AI chatbots, it includes a ton of pre-made automations, okay, just like this, that are yours all for free. And it's actually really easy to set up. So once you get the snapshot, which is right down below for free, you're going to plug it in your high level account. And the first thing we're going to do is we want to come to AI agents, come to voice AI, come to agent list, and click Miranda. So again, you can change the business name, the voice of it, as you see in my other videos, which if you don't know how to do any of this, I have other videos on this if you're curious, but I would leave a lot of this the way it is. Maybe change up the business name, but other than that, leave it as is because I've already set it up and done this properly. It's all already set up. The only thing you're going to want to do is come in, put the availability in, and put the right phone number in. Now, there's 2 different ways you can do this. Well, technically 3. Number 1, you can come in, you can buy a phone number for like $1, plug it in really cheap, and it works. Or you can take their existing phone number, which is harder, and plug it in the high level or do some call forwarding. So there is options for using their existing number. A lot of people will be like, it's not possible. It 100% is. It just takes more work. That's the first thing you need to do. Plug that in. The second thing, you need to come to Conversation AI, you need to come to Agent List, you need to come to Miranda, and you need to make sure this is on. Sometimes when you go through the snapshot, it will not be on. You have to make sure this is on, make sure it is connected to the proper channels that you want, leave the business name. Everything else is set up properly. Don't go through and change stuff up. I mean, unless it's not working the way you want it to work, be careful because I've already set it up. But if you want to change some stuff up, make it better, you can, but just know that I have the base stuff already set up. Okay, from there, you're going to come down to sites, come to websites, come to dentistry, come to edit in new tab, and then just make sure that these numbers match the numbers on your AI voice agent by just clicking them and changing it out right there. That way, it is connected. From there, you're done. That's it. I mean, you don't even have to go live technically if you want to preview this. You can just send them the preview domain. You can if you want to. Like, it's not stopping you. You can make it live too, but other than that, that's it. Done. I mean, I was talking and I got that done in under 2 minutes. You can fly through this in a minute if you really want to. That's it. Like, I'm not joking. This is possibly the easiest thing you can offer. And again, part of the reason why it's so easy is I've set it up for you. I'm giving it to you for free. Like, you building this stuff out actually takes a while. So the last thing is if you want to use all these automations that I have, they're already all published. They would just have to have the email connected. And from there, you're good to go. Everything is set up. There's not a whole lot more than that. Like, I know this looks like, guys, what the heck? This is too easy. It's too good to be true. It's like, well, it is because I built it for you, but just hop in and use it. And now really what you need to learn too is really how to start selling and do high volume selling, which is really what's going to win. And you will get there by joining this community. I'm telling you, or just keep watching my videos and drop comments down below and I'll help you out. Because either way, you got to learn how to do this. Also, I do have other videos on my channel. If you're not interested in any of that, they go over selling this. So don't worry, like where to go, like how to send cold emails, how to cold call. Like we already have stuff like that. So if you are interested too, I got you covered. Just drop a comment down below and I'll hook you up. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in high level, click the link down below, sign up, even just click it and see kind of the testimonies and stuff we've done. I think you're really going to like it. Also, if you have any burning questions, drop them in the comments down below. I will, the GHO Wizard, answer it personally, okay? Like, I don't know how much to tell you. And if you go into my other videos, you'll see I answer pretty much all of my comments. It's pretty grueling, but I do it because I love you guys. Last but not least, I'm going to be linking a video at the end of this video that is a mega video, a 12-hour mega sesh. It's going to show you how to sell people, how to use the sneaky instant pain point method. It's going to go so much more in depth, like so much more in depth. So seriously, watch that because it's going to be amazing. Also, I forgot, if you didn't get the snapshot, go down below and get it. But yeah, definitely watch the video pops at the end of this one because it is going to be super tactical. And yes, that shows a gazillion different ways to sell this thing. So check that out. And I think you're really going to like it.